Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso with Integral here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. Today we're going to talk about a great website and a great app called JustWatch. JustWatch allows you to look for your favorite movies and television shows to see if they're on your favorite streaming services. It's a great way for you to find what you're looking for from the ease of a website or an app, but it also can be a great tool for you to use if you're deciding if you want to cut the cord or not. A lot of people have misconceptions about what it is to really cut the cord and to use streaming services such as Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and others as their main source for television watching. But using an app like JustWatch, you can find out if cutting the cord is really for you. We're going to switch screens like we always do. Take a look at JustWatch and see how I can help you. JustWatch can be found at justwatch.com. It's an international website and app that allows you to choose your country and find out where your favorite shows are streaming. So obviously we're going to choose the United States because that's where we're coming from. And as you can see, JustWatch just pulls up popular movies that are on streaming services, and it shows on all. So you can choose what's new as far as stuff that may have just shown up on streaming services. You can do popular, which allows you to do popular stuff that people are watching. Cinema. So if you want to find out if your favorite movies are out on JustWatch, you can find which cinema that your favorite movie is playing at. And then you've got your watch list. So you can create your own watch list of stuff that you want to find. So let's go back to new, because this focuses on streaming services. So then you can search for a TV show or a movie. So let's say I want to watch Bambi for the sake of watching Bambi. So 1942 Bambi, and it'll let us know immediately which search services it's on. And as you can see, Bambi ain't streaming. Bambi is only on paid services, so that kind of gives you an idea if you want to go with a streaming service or if you want to stay with your current service. Let's type in a popular show. So let's go Scandal 2012, and there's Scandal. And where can I watch it? Well, as you can see, if I'm a Scandal fan, or if someone just said, hey, you got to start watching Scandal. So then I'm like, well, what service do I want to use? So as you can see, JustWatch breaks down how you can view it. So if you want to stream it, there's 6 episodes on Netflix. Only 1 season. Did I say 6 episodes? Sorry. 6 seasons on Netflix. You have to forgive me. Sometimes I don't take the time to read stuff that I should. So let's go back to Scandal. So as you can see, there's 6 seasons on Netflix. One season, one on Yahoo, one on ABC's site, and then one on Hulu. If you want to rent it, you can rent all 7 seasons from the Microsoft Store. If you want to buy all 7 seasons, these show you the streaming services that you can buy it from. So there's Amazon, there's Google Play Movies, there's Apple Tunes or iTunes, there's Fandango Now, Vudu, PlayStation View, and then, of course, like we said, you can buy it from the Microsoft Store. But this kind of gives you an idea. If there's a popular show that you want to watch, you can search for just about anything, any obscure movie. So let's say I wanted to watch The Spy Who Loved Me, because I'm like, man, I'm in the mood for a good James Bond movie. Let's type that in. There we go. 1977, The Spy Who Loved Me. And as you can see, James Bond is not streaming this month. I can buy him, but if I want to watch him, I've got to purchase him, not streaming. But the other great thing, too, about JustWatch is it'll give you the rating of the show based on the JustWatch rating system or Rotten Tomatoes or the Internet Movie Database. Gives you the runtime, the age rating, and, of course, who directed the movie, which is a great tool to have if you're especially looking for movies for your kids. So when you're looking for streaming services or looking to decide if you're going to cut the cord, which can be a difficult decision, JustWatch can be one of those sites that you can go to find out if you want to cut the cord or to find out where your favorite show is. Let's take a look at just some of the other stuff that they have on the JustWatch website. As you can see, there's popular shows that are out now. So from movies that have been recently released or in the theaters, you can use JustWatch and find out exactly if it's going to be where you want it to be. So anything's on there. It's got an extensive database. So check out JustWatch, find your favorite movies, and see if you can stream them or at least rent them directly from your favorite streaming service. As always, if you got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. And I just remembered, I think we need to look at the JustWatch app before we close out. So let's switch screens here, and we're going to open up our favorite software, PowerSoft's Phone Manager. So let's go full screen. Let me bring up the phone, and then we can get into JustWatch the app real quick before I let you folks go. So there's JustWatch the app, and just like the website, you can click on Continue. You can choose when's the last time you went to the cinema. You can even tell it to do your location. And then it can also give you which providers you're interested in too. So let's say you only want to keep track of Hulu and Netflix, you can click on those options. Or you can choose all of these streaming options. And then you can also choose if you're looking to rent. So maybe you want to keep your cable service and you just want to rent movies. So you can choose that as well. Once you click on Continue and hit Done, then you can start using the app. And the app allows you to customize what you're going to watch. So you can choose what streaming services, what's in cinema, and then of course what's new, just like on the website. But it's a little more compact. It's a little easier to maneuver around the JustWatch website. So there you have it. Now we can do our outro. So if you have comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you to find out what tech tips you would like to see me cover in future videos. And speaking of videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tons of videos there that are designed to help you get more from the technology you use, as well as our social media channels. So check out both Integral and myself, Burton Kelso, the technology expert, to find stuff that's going to make you tech aware, and of course to keep you up to date with the latest cybersecurity alerts. So folks, as always, take care of yourself and do many things to make you smile. And thanks for watching.